Hey guys, what's going on? Arthur Early here. Welcome back to the channel. Do you want to know the 6 things to make more sales? 6 ways to make more sales. Well, if you do, you want to watch this video all the way to the end. Alright guys? Now a lot of us, a lot of the times, are just searching for different ways to make sales. We done thought we tried everything to make a sale. And I'm going to tell you guys with these 6 ways, if you want to implement these ways to make these sales, why don't you go ahead, grab a pen and paper, start taking some notes, and I'm going to break it down for you in this video. Alright? And I can guarantee you, if you're not making sales in your business, it's because you're not doing these 6 steps. Now, these are not particularly in any order or any order of importance. They're just 6 things that I went ahead and just jotted down and changed in a way and started making sales with these things in my business. And hopefully by you using these steps, you're going to make sales in your business. All right, guys? So number 1 is you want to get rid of the desperation act. All right. Yes, there's been times where I have been desperate to make a sale. Why? Because I was passionate about what I was promoting. I was excited about the new business, and I could not get the information out there. I couldn't wait to get that information out to others. And also, because I wasn't properly trained at particular times, I didn't know any of this. So, but when I started showing up in people's DMs and spamming them, either on Instagram or on Facebook, these people can tell that, right? They can tell and that you're desperate, and they're not going to want to partner with you. If you're showing up into people's DMs, show up with a purpose, all right, guys? Don't show up to spam them. Show up with a purpose. And the purpose is to see how you can help them. You're going to want to help people, all right? And the best way to do that and the best way to make sales is to establish a relationship with them, right? Because if you're in there and you're just so desperate and you got that all written all over you that you're desperate to make a sale, people will understand that. They will know that, and they're not going to want to partner with you then, because that's a rookie move, and you're not a rookie, and I'm not going to have you make rookie moves. Or you're not uneducated. For those of you that have been watching the channel and those that have been following along, if you follow the steps that I've been giving you, all right, you're not going to be making these rookie moves. It's plain and simple. All right, so that's number 1. All right, number 2 is set prospecting and sales goals. You want to be, do certain things in your business. Now, what I want you to do, for those of you that are watching this video, I want you to comment down below what your sales goals are. What are your sales goals? What are your weekly goals? What are your monthly goals? What are your yearly goals? How many people are you looking to prospect a day? How many sales are you looking at a day? For me, I need 10 people to look at my opportunity, or at least 1 sale a day, right? I don't really care if it's a $2,000 sale or a $100 sale. All right. I just need a sale. I just need to keep that momentum going. I need to talk to at least 10 people a day about my opportunity. Not spam. Okay. Talk to. When I make a new friend, I got a certain way that I do it on Facebook. When I make a friend, I reach out to them and I have a certain conversation with them. All right. And I want to make sure that I at least talk to them. All right, guys? So you want to try to make every some kind of daily goal, some kind of weekly goal, either prospecting or sales goals. You have to do these things in order to have success online. You have to be committed to reaching your goals. You can't put a goal out there and say, I want to make X amount of sales, or I want to make X amount of dollars, or I want to be X amount of people on my team, and not be committed and follow through with those goals. All right. Are you willing to show up every day to get these results? A lot of things that I hear, guys, is I want to be a beast. I'm a beast, right? People say that shit all the time. I'm a beast. But are you willing to put the work in to get those goals? Are you willing to do what a beast gotta do in order to get those goals, right, guys? All right, so that's another aspect of it. So that's number 2, setting prospecting goals. Number 3, guys, is practice creating amazing content. Now, we can all practice creating content. But what I'm talking about is amazing content, guys. I'm talking about that type of content that's going to motivate you, that's going to inspire you, that's going to educate you, that's going to entertain you. You know, you got to be able to do it all. Everybody could put shit in a box. All right, but you don't want to put shit in a box. You want to put amazing content out there so people engage with you, people follow you, you entertain people, you're educating people. Some people are getting something from you. They're leaving your video or your podcast or your Facebook Live. They're leaving with a sense of purpose, saying, "Wow, I really got something from that. I'm gonna go ahead and share to my people what I got from you." You know, you want to be that leader. You want to be real, and I've said this before, guys. Keep it real. All right, you want to be authentic. I want you to maybe even show people the struggle that you're in. Maybe you were struggling online a little bit. It's okay. It's okay to struggle online a little bit. All right. Maybe you want to share that with them. Share the vulnerability with them. Okay, but if you're not comfortable doing that, that's cool too. What you can do is you can share where you're looking to go, where you want to go, what your aspirations are. Share that with the people. Someone's going to join you just because of your struggle. Somebody's going to join you just because where you want to go, because that's the same place they want to go. All right? Somebody's going to join you just because of that, guys. So you want to go ahead and practice amazing content, guys. Try to get creative as possible. It's free to do it. You just need a little imagination to go ahead and do it. I try to provide this content every single day in this video series that I'm doing for you guys. I try to go ahead and create that amazing content for you. All right. So that's number 3. Number 4 is align your products or sales or services with your prospects' desires. Now, I'll give an example, okay? The example is if I'm selling steak, right? Would I try to sell it to a vegan? No, right? Why? Because I'm not going to put my product out there that the people that are not looking for it. I want to attract people that are looking for my product. If I take that same scenario and I turn it around and I say I'm selling carrots, well, I'm going to go ahead and sell it to the vegans because that's what they're looking for. And if you try to sell to a person that is looking for your particular item or service or product, guess what? You're going to sell it to them if you implement the tips that I had for you previously, right? It's very, very easy, and you're going to get frustrated and bang your head against the wall because you're not selling to the prospects that are looking to buy from you. You're trying to cast the net out there and sell your product to everybody. Your product is not for everybody. So that's wasting time. Don't waste time trying to sell to people who don't want to buy from you. All right? It's very, very simple. Number 5, you got to give them a reason to buy from you. Why do they want to buy from you? What is so special about you to make you want to that makes you want to buy from you? All right? They can buy it from anybody. They can buy your product more than likely online from anybody. What do you have to offer that's different from their competitor? Okay? Give them a reason to join you and not your competitor. What I do, guys, is I offer bonuses. All right? And one of the bonuses that I offer is free traffic. For somebody that joins me at the Vertex level or higher, gets free traffic. And the opportunity that I'm promoting right now, which is Profits Passport that I've been telling you guys about, they offer insane bonuses as well. All right, so not only if you join me, you're going to get my bonuses, which is one of them is free traffic. Okay, but you're also going to get the company's bonuses. All right, which actually Last week, I had somebody join me in my business, and they turned around and just off of the company's bonus, they made a $2,000 commission. Okay, they made a $2,000 sale, and it's 100% commission opportunity. So they get to keep all that off of a bonus that the company gave. All right, guys. So that's why you got to give them a reason to buy. And once they start making that money, they're going to stay with you and join you from this opportunity, possibly the next opportunity, and so on and so forth. You got to give them a reason to buy, and you got to give them a reason to stay with you. All right, so that's number 5. Number 6 is you want to start sharing other people's stories. What I like to do is when people join me and get results, I like to share the results that they get with other people. Because like I've said before, it's not about all what you can do. It's not all about you. You got a team. You got to grow a team. And ultimately, that's what we're looking to do. Grow our team a little bit bigger. Share their results. Say, listen, this person got a sale, right? It works for them. It could work for you. Don't really bring it up all about yourself. Or share their story and say, listen, this is the results they got because of the strategies that I taught, right? So you could flip it on them like that. These are little things that you can do, guys, in your business. Or maybe if they didn't get a sale, how they got a lead, or how they got a prospect, how they talk to that person. All right. Sometimes it's not all about the money, but it's about the lead. It's about even like, somebody that was scared to talk to people before. How, something that you said or you helped them to do that was able to make them have the ability to talk to other people. These are little things, guys, that you can do in your business to help you start making sales right away. All right, guys. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today real quick. All right. So just to recap, number 1 is get rid of the desperation. People smell that all over, especially if you're a seasoned marketer. Number 2 is set prospecting and sales goals. All right. Number 3 is practice creating amazing content. Number 4 is align your products and service with the prospect's desires. Number 5 is give them a reason to buy from you. And number 6 is start sharing their stories. All right, guys. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, go ahead and comment down below. And make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping another video and giving you more and more value. All right, guys. So until the next video, I'll see you later. Bye for now.